everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Christiane Tanju, finance consultant at Africa Finance Services. I want to use this opportunity today to wish everybody a happy International Accounting Day. Today is the 10th of November 2021, which is the International Accounting Day. And we have decided as an accounting firm to use this video to sensitize about the importance of accounting in the economy, importance of accounting to our business, to our lives, to our everyday activities. So guys, we're going to have a very interesting video today. We're going to have interventions from several people. We have interventions from other finance consultants. We have interventions from other finance professionals, from business people, from several people who are going to testify about the importance of accounting in their lives, in their business, or in their jobs. So guys, please stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the button down below, and stay tuned to the end of the video.
Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Ayuk Tarhbey from Africa Finance Services. Today we'll be talking about the relevance of accounting. It is very important in our lives. It's very important for companies. It's very important for the nation as a whole. So what is accounting? Accounting is basically the language of business. And you cannot speak this language, or you cannot understand business if you don't speak the language of accounting. Now when we talk of accounting, it's at various levels. It starts from bookkeeping to the various complex levels of financial accounting, audit, taxation, etc. And we have a problem with for example, of taxes. Now, taxes is based on your accounting record that you have kept. There will be no need for you to go around maybe trying to cook your books, play with the numbers if you have proper accounting done. So what is the importance of accounting? Well, for starters, accounting helps you pay your taxes without any headache, ensure that you are compliant with regulatory compliance with the government. Accounting helps you understand the performance of the business. For an individual, accounting helps you plan ahead. Accounting helps you also understand what you need to do, your expenses, your revenue, and your savings. Accounting helps the nation as a whole for better resource management. And today we're trying to give you the relevance of accounting, the importance of accounting for you, the manager, for you, the business owner, for you as an individual, and for the entire nation of Cameroon.
Hi everyone, this is Irabella Manka, a finance consultant at Africa Finance Services. I'm going to be talking to you about the importance of accounting to an individual. Accounting at an individual level is all about managing your expenses and budgeting. The benefits of accounting to an individual is that first, it helps you track your revenue and your expenses. With accounting in your life, you're able to know what exactly you receive over a certain period of time and what exactly you spend that money on. Did I spend it for my kids' fees? Did I spend it shopping? Did I go to an orphanage? What exactly did I do with my money? And when you're able to have this information, it just gives you a sense of satisfaction because you know that, okay, I received this amount and I spent it on this, I spent it on this. So you just feel at ease with yourself. Accounting also goes ahead to help you make informed decisions. With this, you become more intelligent and more confident when you're making your decisions. Let's take an example of a person that notices that he or she has been spending close to 100,000 francs going out with friends and drinking alcohol. Meanwhile, that person's revenue for a month it's barely close to 200,000 francs. Of course, it's going to be wise for that person to know that, hey, okay, I've been spending too much on alcohol, it's time for me to cut down on this and probably use the money to do something better. So accounting gives you that urge. It helps you make informed decisions. Accounting also helps you to achieve your financial goals, because when you set goals, for example, you say you want to build a house in this, let's say by 2 years or by 5 years, accounting helps you to know that, okay, this is how I'm going to work towards achieving this goal that I have set. I'm going to set aside this amount each month to help me do this and do that towards achieving that goal. So on this accounting day, I want to wish each and every one of you a happy International Accounting Day, and I urge you all to start practicing. If you've not been doing so, start practicing accounting in your individual life. With this, we can all be able to make informed decisions and in turn manage your resources better. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Mazu. I'm an accountant and I'm sharing this video to make a contribution to the celebration of International Accounting Day, which is happening the 10th of November 2021. I like to start the video by asking a very simple question. For all of you watching me right now, if someone asked you to give an account of how you spent your life in the past 1 month, what resources came under your control and how did you use these resources? Would you be able to give an account to yourself on how you spent the last 1 month? I'm sure many people would find this question very strange, but I need you to understand that a lot of what we do today in life is a reflection of what we've done in the past. So in essence, many success stories today happen because a past failure was analyzed and then a future action was made in such a way that you don't repeat the past. Take for instance, planes are safer today because in the past there were plane crashes. It sounds very crazy, but that's true. Once there's a plane crash, what happens? The countries, the airlines, they struggle to find out what caused the crash, so that future planes that are produced would take into account the errors that caused the crash. It's the same. That's the power of accounting. If you take account, or if you keep account of what happens in your life today, tomorrow, after tomorrow, it prepares you for better decisions next week. From a business perspective, once you keep account of your transactions, it helps you to make future decisions based on past activity. This is the reason why accounting is referred to as the language of business. It is practically impossible for you to run a successful business without proper accounting. This is one of the key issues we have with our economy. Many businesses are trying to operate without accounting. This is the reason why we have so many tax problems. Many people just believe that taxes are too high in Cameroon and that the government has made it very impossible to run businesses successfully in Cameroon. That's not true. We're not saying that there are no areas for improvement by the government. There are areas for improvement. But we are also saying that for you to run a successful business, you need to understand the basics of taxation, the basics of accounting. Think of it. The taxes you pay actually come from your accounts. And taxation is a subset of accounting. Even at the national level, the resources of the country are not well managed because of poor accounting. The mayor in your municipality or in your city, who does he report to? Is he accountable to the citizens of that city? So you agree with me that there is no way you can be accountable if you don't keep accounts. You cannot be responsible if you don't keep accounts. So I want to urge all of us to improve our accounting culture, because it is through this that we are going to better manage our resources at all the levels, at the individual, at the organizational and national levels. Of course, improved accounting in our economy is going to improve, or is going to have a positive impact on socio-economic development. Thank you.
Hello there, my name is Mrs. Tita Alima, but you can call me Kelly. I live and work in Thailand. So beside my day-to-day job, I have several side hustles, and which one of them is hair. I'm a hair vendor. And I would like to highlight a little bit on the benefit and how important bookkeeping has been in my business. Remember, accounting is the backbone of every business venture, and that has been my strength. I have been growing from strength to strength. I have been growing. I have been able to see enormous growth in my business, and that is because I have been very consistent in bookkeeping and analyzing. Thank you very much, and I would like you and encourage you to implement bookkeeping in your business. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Denise Lindjo, the CEO of Jomi Seniors. I just wish to talk a little bit on how to manage a good account. If you manage your accounts well in your business, you'll never experience shortage, you experience profits, and your business will grow more and more higher. Like for example, I started small. I started only with snails. I started only with Indomie snails to produce a smaller quantity, but with the keeping of good account record, I had to make more profit and expand on my business. So accounting is very, very important in your business. So learn how to keep a good account, because if you keep a bad account in your business, you will not make profit, and there are many, many disadvantages you will have, and you feel like dropping off. So I just wish to encourage you all to keep a good account record and make more profits. Thank you.
My name is Achuo Beltus. I'm an accountant and financial auditor. I'm doing this short video to enlighten us on the importance of accounting in our businesses. What is accounting? In the simplest form defined, accounting is the art of recording business transactions in a logical and orderly fashion while keeping the records for future reference. It's important to note the word future reference in this definition, because when we are carrying out the business, we need to know exactly what has been going on in that business. We need to know the transactions that we do in that business. We need to know who are owing and those who are owing us. We need to know what is going out and what is coming in. And for this to be done smoothly, it can only be done by keeping accounts of such transactions. Secondly, we need to know a business is separate from us. What we say in accounting language is separate legal entity, meaning at what point in time, if we are not available, our business needs to keep flourishing, our business needs to keep running. And for someone to take over this business and keep running the business, the person needs to consult the account of this business and know exactly what was going on before he or she came in to continue running the business. In a nutshell, what I'm saying is this: for us to know the history of our business, for us to make it simple for someone to run our business in our absence, it can only be done by keeping good account of this business and making sure that everything is traceable in our business. Thank you.
Hi, I am Madam Ngawana Henrietta. Most of you know me as an accounting teacher and a side hustler. So I'm going to tell you how accounting has helped me in my side hustle. Being a side hustler, I do a daily recording of all my transactions, which in accounting it's called bookkeeping. This helps me at the end of every month and here to know how far I am progressing with my business and to develop more strategy in order to attain more goals with my side hustle. So you see, I encourage you to apply some accounting in every business that you do. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Tatiana and I'm a weight loss coach in Africa. I offer weight loss services and products. So before meeting Africa Finance Services, my finance were quite a bit scattered. So I was mixing my salaries, mixing my sales from my different services and products. I didn't exactly know the value of my stock, my different sales from my products and my services, what were my charges, how much I was exactly paying for my employees and stuff like that. It was very hectic. My bookkeeping was just very, very poor. But since I started working with Africa's Finance Services, I am really delighted. I have a very perfect view of how my business is doing presently. I know right now the value of my stocks. I know the charges that I'm paying. I have a value of my expenses, the value of my profits, something I did not know before. So I'm very, very happy, and I thank them very much for helping a small business owner like me. Thank you very much, Africa Finance Services. And I really recommend their services to every small business out there, because with a proper accounting and bookkeeping records, the business can only outgrow itself. So thank you once more.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching me from. My name is Atibuaghesamo Michael, an agricultural engineer by profession. Actually here today, I'm standing here to talk on accounting, which is something very vital in every business, be it in your life, be it in your business, be it in your homes. In the past years, in my personal life and business, I was actually ignorant about the importance of accounting or accountability in whatever I do. And over the past time, I've not been able to track records because I lost focus on being accountable. And so accounting is a very important aspect of life, which we all must impute in our businesses, in our daily lives, to see that things go well. Truth be told, that if you lose focus of accounting, you cannot be able to give a clear track record of how your business is growing. Either it's failing or it's making profit. And so I want to urge us out there who are neglecting the aspect of accounting, that we should take into consideration the fact that it is very important for you to be accountable in whatever you do, especially when you're dealing with a community, when you're dealing with a group, and when you're dealing with a family. Accountability is very important, and I want to urge us all to do and focus more on accounting as one of the main things that draw our lives to success. Thank you very much, and hope to see us as we take a dimension in the accounting sector.
If you're still here, it means you've watched the video to the end. Thank you for staying tuned, and I hope all of you enjoyed the video. I hope now you know more about the importance of accounting in your lives, in your businesses, in the economy as a whole. And if you are interested in starting a business, or you are already in business and you need help in your finances, in accounting, in budgeting, in whatever thing you're doing, you can always contact us as an accounting firm. We'll be glad to attend to you. We'll be glad to help you in your endeavor. You'll be glad to help you grow in your businesses. You can always have our contacts in the description box down below. You have our email, our numbers, our website. You can just contact us and we are going to attend to you. And see you next time. Bye-bye.